everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys 2 DIY K-pop notebooks for back to school. This is part 3 of my DIY K-pop back to school series, so if you haven't watched part 1 or 2, I will leave those links down in the description box below or on the screen here. Also, this is a collab video with other amazing DIY K-pop YouTubers, and I will leave a link to all their channels down below, so make sure to see their videos as well. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Kimberly and welcome to my channel. If you like this video and want to see more DIYs from me and want to be a part of our little family, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see Jungkook in a man bun, because we all secretly want to. Anyways, let's begin. So the first notebook that we're going to do is a twice holographic pocket notebook. I will leave all the materials that I used down in the description box below. So basically the first thing that you're going to do is Mod Podge your notebook and paste on any cardstock of your liking. And once that's on, you're going to cut that out. Later on, I decided to not use that cardstock and used a marble pastel cardstock just because I thought it was a little bit too plain, but besides the point. So next you're going to need one of these plastic cover sheets and you're going to cut out a little square. I decided to cut out on the corner of the page just because the two sides on the right and the bottom already create a pocket. So all you have to do is just glue the left hand side and then leave the top of the pocket open so you can slide your pictures in. So this is how your pocket should look like. I actually made mine a little bit bigger later on. And make sure that it will fit into the little heart shape that we're going to cut out. Next, I got my holographic cardstock paper and I just cut that out to the size of the notebook. So basically what we're doing here is creating the front cover of our back cover notebook. So the back cover will be the pink side and then the front cover will be the holographic side. You'll get what I mean later. But anyways, I went ahead and got my heart template and drew out a little heart right in the center of the holographic paper, and then I just cut that out. So then you will have something like this, and then I went ahead and Mod Podge that on, except that I did not Mod Podge the top of the paper, just the sides and the bottom. And sorry, I forgot to film this, but I went ahead and got some gold letter stickers and wrote out Fancy You. Next, I went ahead and got my little plastic pocket and just glued that on right in between the holographic paper and the marble paper. And yeah, just make sure that the pocket is big enough so then you can slide your pictures through. And also make sure that the opening of the pocket is all the way at the top so then you can just slide your pictures easily right through, as you can see what I'm doing here. And yeah, I thought this notebook was super cute and you could just swap out any photos of your biases as much as you want. For the next notebook, we are going to create a BT21 Sequin notebook. I will leave all the materials down in the description box. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your sequin fabric and flip it over so then you'll be able to cut to the size of your notebook. And once that's done, I went ahead and just got my hot glue gun and hot glued the sequin fabric onto the cover of my notebook. So this is how it should look like. I went ahead and made the sequins go on the vertical side so then I can push it upwards and downwards to reveal the image. Next, I went ahead and got my chimney template and decided to get my black paint to create an outline. I decided to do this first because it'll help me know where to place everything and paint on everything correctly, just so I don't mess up. And yeah, so that's what I did. And also, when you're painting on sequin fabric, you would have to paint the direction of which the sequin goes. So for me, the sequin goes upwards. So when I have to paint it on, I have to paint it in upward strokes, just so the paint does not seep through the other side of the sequin fabric, if that makes sense. Yeah, I know that was a lot to handle, but basically overall, I just painted upward strokes according to the direction of the sequin fabric, and I used multiple coats in between dry sessions just so it could be a little bit more opaque. So yeah, it does take a little bit of patience and you know, a lot of time, but it actually turned out pretty good. Like, you could just put on a TV show in the meantime while you're painting it, and yeah, just have fun with it. So yeah, whenever you're bored in class, you could just play with your notebook and also impress your classmates too. Like, hey, I made this. Like, for me, I'm still shook. Like, wow, I actually made that. Okay, I'm fine. Gosh, so mean. Don't care.
It's a behind the scenes.
Oh my god. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more DIYs from me. And if you plan to recreate any of my DIYs, make sure to tag me on social media. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!